Hey, third graders, I hope you had a great week. And I know Mrs. Hagen was on her Florida vacation, so I'm sure you guys were great for my sub, and hopefully everything's working out great. All right, so here we go. And guess what? I think you guys did these in second grade, but I'm not exactly sure, so we'll find out. We are going to solve problems with extra information. This is where you kind of need to be a detective because they're going to put something extra in the problem that you don't need, and you get to cross it out. Okay, we're not going to scribble it out. We're just going to put a line through it. So let's look at the first one. Emma solved 9 math problems and answered 7 reading questions. Her sister solved 8 math problems. How many math problems did they solve in all? It's very important to look at what the question is at the end, because if I look at the question at the end, it says, how many math problems did they solve in all between her and her sister? So what would I want to cross out that's in there that I don't need? Okay, think about that. What do you think we could cross out? There's a number in there. Okay, do we need to know the reading questions? No, we do not. But they put that in there to trick you. So you need to figure out what you don't need and then take what you do need and solve your problem. I'm only focusing on the math problems. Okay, so I have Emma solved 9. And her sister solved 8. 9 plus 8. These are going to be small enough equations, guys, that you could actually write the whole thing over here on the line. 9 plus 8 equals 17. And then my label is math problems, and I can put MP. So you almost don't need to show this kind of work over here, but I do have to see the equation on the line, okay? So you can put it, if you'd rather put it on the side over here, then transfer your answer over to the line with your label, okay? Let's do another one. Mark had 6 shirts and 5 pairs of pants. Today, his aunt gave him 4 more shirts and another pair of pants. How many shirts does he have now? We actually have 2 things to cross out, don't we? The only thing they're asking about at the end is the shirts. So we get to cross out the pants. We've got 5 pairs of pants there, and we've got another pair of pants here. And we are left with 6 plus 4. It's pretty easy, isn't it, guys? Hopefully it is. All right, so our equation is 6 plus 4 equals, mental math on that one, 10, and then our label is shirts. All right, I'm not going to do any more on here, so you do those 3 by yourself, and then meet me on page 408 when you are ready. All right, same thing on this page as we did before, okay? It says it is slightly different. It says read each problem and circle the hidden information, which is a little bit different. I thought the directions were the same, so give me a second there. All right, so circle the hidden information. So there's something that is hidden either in words, and I think you'll get the hang of it as we start reading, okay? So it's a little different. We're not going to cross out, we're going to circle. All right, number 6. Samuel had 16 new horseshoes in the shed yesterday. Today, he put a new set of horseshoes on his horse Betsy. So he put 1 new set on his horse Betsy. How many horseshoes are left in the shed? Okay, let's think about that. He had 16 new horseshoes in the shed. Today he put a new set of horseshoes on his horse. So when they say new set, that's the part we're going to circle because something's hidden in there. If I have a new set of horseshoes, how many actually is that? Think about how many feet a horse has. So that's why it's kind of hidden in there. So if he started with 16, right? But then he gave one set to a horse, so he took away 4 because there's 4 feet on a horse to get my final answer. Okay? My label was horseshoes. We can just put HS there. That's fine. So there's going to be something hidden. And sometimes it's like, it could be the word a dozen, which means 12. Or like on the next one, it says Maya's going on a vacation with her family for a week and 3 days. How many days will she be on vacation? Well, the part that's hidden is right here because it doesn't say the number. But we know how many days are in a week, right? 7 days in a week. So now I have everything I need to solve my equation, okay? And I know that she was going to be gone for a week plus 3 days, okay? So you can solve that, all right? So just look for, sometimes it's just a word that actually means a number, okay? Be a detective. You've got this, okay? And you are going to finish this page, and that is your math for today.